pink. It has, what's it called, Mommy?
Laundry detergent.
Laundry detergent.
And fabric softener.
And back softer. And we also have, and what is this one called?
The dryer.
The dryer. And it opens like that. And this is the top. If it can go to small, medium, medium. And it rolls. And so we also have this little spinner. And also we have a spray bottle. And also that. Correct. It's a bottle warmer. It's done. Come on, taking forever. There we go. But you do this. I'm gonna do something. I got on Christmas Day. Now this is, I got two different bottles. And so I'm gonna go and get another one is purple. I'll be right back. Where are you? Okay, so I couldn't find it, and this is my next. Don't forget, Bitty Baby. Oh, go ahead, Band. And get back on. Ah! There we go. And so I have matching outfits. And so we also have this mirror. It can go like this. And the little side's going like this. Ah! Like it too. See? And also I have something else. There. So in the back, it also spins. Ah. That's how we do it. Ah, come on. Go being longer. So let me spin it. This I got from Christmas Day. It's really special. There we go. And so we also got this from Christmas Day, and this one being told me, and this spray bottle, and this one, and this drive for drying your clothes, and this is for bed, and it has a little night light.
It's a diaper changing area.
I called it bed.
Okay.
And so we also got for bed right here. And also we have this little thing. I'll show you what it says. Change different colors. This purple and yellow and blue. Rainbow! 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 Come back here! Come back here! Rainbow! Rainbow! Where did he go? Oh, Rainbow! Come back here! Where did it go? Rainbow? Rainbow! Come back here! Come back here!
And show the rocking chair.
Oh. Rainbow! And after we have a walking tape. Rainbow, come back here! Ha. You're too fast! Ha. Ah. 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 Where are you? Oh, I... Can't get you. And so we also have a bitty baby girl. Ah, let me get this out. So I also have a baby stool. It's all the baby stuff. And we also have a baby backpack. We also have a spoonful baby and carrots and peas. And also, we also got this iron. And so we also got my jewelry box. Hold on, baby. Get down for 1 sec. So let me put right here and pull it. There we go. And so I got this whip stick. Can see whips on it? Now so we got this one, had a unicorn on it. I love unicorns. And also sunglasses. And also really special nail polish. Lip gloss. And also we got a horse camel. Hands right in it. So we got a clean one. So we also got an extra ballerina. If I want to change it out. On this little spin, it goes like that. Can't put it on top of its ballerina. Got this for can't forget to put this thing around. And there we go. And so now I'm going to roll it. There you go, baby. And so we also got a crib for Billy Baby to sleep in. And also we also got this from Christmas. And we also got this from my nether Christmas. It was a long time ago, so. And we also have a jewelry box. So we also have this heart, and I'll show you what's in it. It comes out like this. I don't know what it's like this. Have this. Ta-da! Go like that. So this. Well, like in the first way of the heart, it's got in, and yes.